Why was learning your first language easy, but learning English feels hard? The answer is simpler than you think. You can learn English the same natural way you learned to speak as a child, by listening, copying, and speaking without fear. Think about it. Babies don't study grammar books or memorize vocabulary lists. They learn by listening every single day. At first, they don't understand everything. They just copy sounds. Then they say one word, then short sentences, and then full ideas. Fluency comes from exposure and repetition, not memorization. This means treating English like a living language. Remember, language first, rules later. As a child, you spoke long before you knew what a verb was. English should be the same. Speak first. Improve as you go. So, how do you start? Here's a 5-step natural method. 1. Listen daily. Put on songs, short videos, or podcasts. Don't panic if you don't understand it all. Just focus on the sound and rhythm. 2. Copy what you hear. Repeat sentences out loud. Copy the tone and speed. Don't translate. Focus on how it sounds. 3. Speak every day, even if you're alone. Narrate your actions. I'm making tea. I feel tired. Simple sentences build real confidence. 4. Create an English environment. Change your phone's language. Label things in your room. Write your shopping lists in English. Make it part of your daily life. And 5. Forget perfection. Babies don't wait to be perfect. They try. They make mistakes. And they improve naturally. Your goal is communication, not perfection. You have already learned one language this way. That ability is still inside you. So start listening. Start speaking. Trust the process. Be fearless. Be curious. Be consistent. Learn English like a baby, naturally, confidently, every day.